everyone, it's Connie with Thoughts of Treasures, and I have a super quick and easy Halloween craft project for you. We took these tree branches, cut them down to a 8-inch, a 6-inch, and a 4-inch, and we are covering them with Waverly chalk paint in the color Snow White. Gave them a good coating, all three of them, gave them a good coating. It did take a couple coats, so be patient. And then we took this black acrylic paint. We made 2 eyes and a mouth on them. There's no rhyme or reason to this. You don't have to be an artist. Little ovals with acrylic paint. And this is how they turned out with all 3 of them. If you are inspired by this, please follow my page. And remember, sprinkle, sprinkle, spread the love. It helps us out greatly.